Right here guys, so today we have Worm.VBS.HeadTail. Sorry for not making a video in a while. I've actually been analyzing this malware right here, and because it is a VPS malware, I found it pretty interesting to, well, actually look at the code and figure out what it's doing. So the values that it's editing are this. If you've seen my previous, like the registry values that it's editing are this, and if you've seen my previous video when I've done Gruel, I explain what some of these do. For example, txt file, hlp file, reg file, chm.file. That means every time you try to open all of these files, instead the malware is run, and it is a worm, so it spreads by infecting other files. Let me just have my list right here and just find it. And here it is. So it took a while to actually go through the whole of the code, but I finally have it. And it infects other files as well as other drives. I don't have a drive here to test it, but yeah. And let's see, the files that it infects are .hta files, .html files, .asp files, and .vps files. And basically how it does that is it appends a modified version of the worm. That means like it modifies this code a bit, not that much, and it inserts it into the file. So let's see if we can write a test VBS file right here and see if it gets infected. And in order to do that, we need to go to my computer, tools, folder options, show hidden. Yeah, let's show the hidden file and folders, and also uncheck hide file extensions. Now let's alright, so let's run it. After we run it, we won't be able to run the following processes. Let's see if I can find that here. Here it is, and we won't be able to run the following processes. That means regedit, task manager, command prompt even. So it does a pretty good job actually for its time. It's pretty amazing, and it does copy itself to the, it's supposed to actually copy itself to the system folder and the Windows directory folder, but sadly I can't get that part to work. I'm not sure why, but that's the thing with these viruses. So I guess we can go ahead and run it. Oh, and it does have a payload which again doesn't work, but it's supposed to, if your name is admin, it's supposed to show a message saying you are admin, your computer will not be infected, and obviously that's a lie. So yeah, let's run it. And it does show these messages. It gets annoying. Let's see, did it? Oh, and it already started the infection process. And as you can see, this is a way, I mean, it's kind of the same, but as you can see, it's like the code is less, as you can see from this bar right here. this will get annoying. Alright, so let's see what else until it infects some files. Whatever. Let's open up. Let's go to my computer. I want to check this again because where is it? Maybe it's decided to actually copy itself, which is a total lie. Well, I mean, supposed to. Let's go check the system folder. Oh, Windows, wait. No, that's Windows Update. Oh, god damn it. Let's go to system folder. V2 maybe. Nope. Alright then. So we can't get it to copy itself, but alright, so it's supposed to delete .mph.rm.vb.avi.rm files, which it doesn't seem to. Well, I don't know, I haven't checked it. Let's try it. Let's make of course it's gonna get an error. Let's run it again. Oh, this is gonna get annoying. Hasn't deleted it yet. Maybe it's supposed to be the same. Nope. Alright. Guess not. By the way, if we try to start task manager, it should actually close. Ah, here it is. It's two of them, two instances of the malware, one from the actual one from this one. It's not supposed to show this error message, and while it is currently showing it, it can't close the task manager, so that's a plus. And if I actually keep pressing continue, it's actually supposed to close task manager. It's an here it is. It did. Cool story, bro. Okay, so that's a problem on the malware end. So as long as we can do this, then okay, here it is. Access is denied. Amazing. Alright, so we're even getting an access denied error message. Oh, we didn't. Cool. So now we might be able to actually run regedit. So I'll show you the keys, which were, let's check here. Alright, so that's okay. So it modifies a lot of keys, so instead of going through all of them, let's just go through the ones I found earlier, if I am able to. Here it is. Alright, so H key local machine, software classes, txt file, here it is, shell open command, and as we can see, WinNT administrator.vbs, which can try searching if it exists now. Maybe it took it some time. Never mind, it didn't. So it failed to copy itself. Congratulations. It failed to delete itself. Not delete itself, sorry, but delete the API file. Well, it's supposed to anyway. So yeah, that's a code pointing to the malware every time you try to run a text file. Whatever, let's just get rid of that crap. So that's about it for this virus. Does the same thing with the other stuff. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for not having a video up this week, the previous week. I'll try to have another one this week if I can, and I should probably. So yeah, if you have any recommendations for malware you want me to analyze, make sure to leave them down in the comments. I'll make sure to do that, and thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.